some more of your healing. Baby, turn me on, turn me on. Baby, turn me on, turn me on. Baby, turn me on, turn me on. You know just what I need.
Lights on paparazzi, I pull up in this motherfucker with the entourage, okay, wait. Wrists on Haagen-Dazs, if you ain't with us, then you end up on the chopping block, okay, wait. She'll go shot for shot, I know that ass gon' drop like a sake bomb, okay, wait. Light bright chakra, and I be hanging on the wall like a Basquiat, okay. You got issues, I got mine. I black out to feel alive. Back up off me, bitch, I'm fried. Bust some shots off, let them fly. G-star flex up on my bitch. I can't help the way I trip. I ain't choose this way to live. It chose me and now I'm lit. Big bank, take a little bankroll. Say she let me hit it on tape though. And I got strippers on payroll. Venmo, PayPal, peso. Stacking them bricks. Out in the field, I'm the captain and shit. And it's lit. Whole clique, yeah, I might let it rip. Yeah, I might let it rip. I pull up in this motherfucker with the entourage, okay, wait. Wrists on Haagen-Dazs, if you ain't with us, then you end up on the chopping block, okay, wait. She'll go shot for shot, I know that ass gon' drop like a sake bomb, okay, wait. Light bright chakra, and I be hanging on the wall like a Basquiat, okay. You got issues, I got mine. I black out to feel alive. Back up off me, bitch, I'm fried. Bust some shots off, let them fly. G-star flex up on my bitch. I can't help the way I trip. I ain't choose this way to live. It chose me and now I'm lit. Big bank, take a little bankroll. Say she let me hit it on tape though. And I got strippers on payroll. Venmo, PayPal, peso. Stacking them bricks. Out in the field, I'm the captain and shit. And it's make a chick in my sleep. I stay in my lane like a street. Only want the range for a week. It's 20 bands for the seats. Comments come on all my receipts. I feel like a dog I can eat. I done took the doors off a Jeep. I don't play with my nose, but I'm geek. I can make a chick in my sleep. I stay in my lane like a street. Only want the range for a week. It's 20 bands for the seats. Comments come on all my receipts. I feel like a dog I can eat. I done took the doors off a Jeep. I don't play with my nose, but I'm geek. I know I want the bull. Stop, but I took some hoes to the beach. I know I never owe. Asking me for money or a lead. When they got my own. Down in club, never cheat. I know I need a door. By the window, I believe. I can make a chick in my sleep. Come on, all my receipts. I can make a chick in my sleep. Come on, all my receipts.
Woo! What is going on, ladies and gentlemen, man, of TradeCaster, YouTube, TikTok.com, guys? Hopefully you guys are all having an amazing day. You guys are printing, profiting, man. You guys are getting it in, baby. Absolute another blast of a day coming up, guys. So we are chilling out, waiting and watching on this market, man. Exciting turn Thursday here, guys. Right? Yeah. Turn this music down just a little bit, guys. There you go. So just a little bit of background music there, guys. But like I said, hopefully you guys are all having a great day. Hopefully you guys are all printing, profiting, man. You guys are getting it in. But yeah, buddy, man. So we got an exciting day ahead. Let's check it out, man. So yesterday we got a couple different things. So first off, I want to go to Trading View. And I want to check on Bitcoin, right? Because with the way S&P is looking, with the way Ethereum's looking, with the way all these things are looking, I bet Bitcoin is at all-time highs again. Now, Bitcoin's one of those things that, I mean, you constantly can keep checking up on. But, oh my, 97,000, ladies and gentlemen. 97,000 on the tape, guys. Insane, ladies and gentlemen. So, you can do that, and then you can check out ETH, which is something I personally like to invest in a lot. 3,300 coming up into play. Looking to touch that 4,100 area. That's craziness. So traders, there you guys go. If you guys are looking at that crypto. Dang. Yeah, buddy. What's up, Spy Rob? What's up, man? He said, yeah, buddy, man. Marky got a dirty open. Yeah, dude. No, I agree, bro. I agree, man. That dump off open was not the cutest. Not the cutest of cute, man. Not gonna lie, dude. Not the best looking, but you know, hey, that's why we wait and watch. See, I was here when it opened. I was getting everything set up for the stream, though, so I didn't take any trades. But I honestly was like, you know what? I'm honestly going to wait to take a trade. I had this line here from yesterday. Look exactly where it bounced up. I had that there from yesterday. Look at that, guys. That's at support across the board. And if we go back, you'll probably see, like, I don't even exactly know what I put this point here for. It was probably for a good reason. Look at that. So you see that right there? That's why. Look at that. 640. Boom. Resistance coming back into play. Okay, hey, resistance. A little bit of chop. A little bit of resistance there. Coming back up into play. Some support across the board. Support. And then support again. So that 640 level, you have to watch that. If that's able to break. And I had that in here from, what is it? I had that in here from days ago. You know what I mean? So that's why these points, I usually leave them in. That's usually why, though. Because as you can see, if you're able to capitalize off it, look at that. You're able to catch a nice bounce off that. I wasn't able to capitalize off it. I didn't take the trade on that. But still, just thought. It's a thought. So traders, man, we are chilling out. We are waiting and watching, guys. So yeah, like I said, dude, NQ is crazy. S&P, ES, Nvidia, they're all nuts right now. But yeah, really just gotta wait and watch. We're up near those all-time high levels again. Look at that, 593 coming back up into play, guys. The all-time high on the S&P is 601. Never mind, 600, excuse me, 617. So, yeah, buddy. Yesterday was some of those gorgeous, movement I've seen in a while, and we capitalized on it, baby. Although left money on the table. No, dude, look at that, brother. Look at that. Yeah, buddy, man. Spy Prob getting dialed, getting back into it. I love it. A little quick bandito of a day. I love it, bro. Yeah, no, 100%, dude. 100%, man. That's exactly how it is, though. It's like, because think about it, bro. This is what I was talking about earlier. It's like, if you can capitalize, bro, on, like, let's say there's 20 trading days in a month, right? There's 20 trading days in a month, and you can capitalize on even just, 10 of those. You have $1,000 day for 10. That's still $10,000 a month, bro. Like, every single day you don't need to trade. And that's what I think people, a lot of people mistake. And it's like, if your setups are every single day, that's awesome. But A-plus setups don't always present themselves every single day. So it's like, some days you do just got to, walk away with nothing. Some days you walk away and you're feeling great because you just made a band. You know what I mean? It's like, so yeah, buddy, bro. 100%, dude. I'm with you. But yeah, no, dude, 100%. So that's like, that's where I'm at with it. Like, yesterday was some pretty clean price action on my end with everything. So, like, look at that nice little dip coming up into play. That dip was beautiful, right? Hit the lines there, come up into play. And again, that dip wasn't presented on S&P yet, but I want to see what happens when we get down there, if we get down there today. It seems as if we're retracing back to the top side, but, boom, spike, touched again, coming back down, nice little trend line. Then it finally starts to break just a little bit, but then holds up, boom, nice little spike. So, nothing too crazy, no crazy momentum, no crazy drive, but, yeah, definitely an opportunity there. Like, right now, we're coming up into EMAs, we're getting a little bit of rejection off those. I am tempted to play 5 micros to the downside here off of these points. If I see that they're rejecting here, I probably will jump in 5 micros to the downside. Yeah, because if you go to this area across the board, nothing too crazy on it, but we got those EMAs set up. We got everything set up. I sent another dump. Yeah, that's something I used to think of. Must trade every day will screw you. Exactly. I sent another dump. Buyer volume here is very minimum. We're building up to dump, it feels. Yeah, buddy. Yup. No, I'm with you, bro. I'm with you. I do think we're getting a little dumparuski, some may say, from the good old back in the day, boys. Oh, man. So, yeah, buddy, man. Chilling out, waiting and watching on that. But, yeah, look at that. Look at that, man. Right up into that point, right up into this point. Shorts might come in here. As you see here coming up into play. Another thing you guys can do if you ever want to, dude, definitely start recording your trades. And the days where you have great days is a good recommendation. I stream, so it's pretty easy for me to just go back and watch it. But for, any of you guys, dude, even just download OBS on your PCs or whatnot, bro, or, your laptops, and just hit the record button, you know what I mean? And then just record it and store it somewhere. And then mark, when you rename the file, rename it as, plus 900 or, plus 587. And then the date, you know what I mean? And that's a good thing because then you guys can go back and you guys can see, oh, hey, that day I made such and such amount. You know what I mean?
Order filled.
Well, I was just about to say we're about to take a stab there. We just took a stab there, guys. Waiting and watching, seeing if we're going to follow through with this Dumparuski here. Love how it's starting to inch down here more, guys. But, again, we have that VWAP right there. If we can break that VWAP, come down to this 9-day EMA there, break the 9-day, come down to this VWAP here on NQ, see what we got going on, see if we can just continue to dump-a-roo all the way to the downside. I'm only on 5 micros here. Beautiful play. I love it. So, want to see this thing continue to get the Dumparuski here? Beautiful. Look at that, guys. Beautiful play. Coming right down to that 9-day. See if it can break it like butter. See if it can break it like butter. Breaking it like butter, ladies and gentlemen. Breaking it like butter. Continuing to dump Baruski on us all the way to the downside. Finger on the buy button if it needs to, but look at that thing, dude. See if we get another dump Baruski here following through. I'm going to lock that up. I'm going to lock it up. Quick little money. Quick little breadito. Little something. Gotta get a little something on the plate. Yeah, buddy. So there we go, ladies and gentlemen. So a very simple play. 200-day, 50-day. 200-day, 50-day. Right? 200-day, 50-day. Boom. Dumparuski. I didn't even capitalize on the whole move. I just capitalized on a short piece of it. If you guys are okay with being break even on this play or whatnot, you guys don't even really need to take your stops. You know, I'm that kind of guy where I take my stops a little bit too early, but I also don't let my losers run. That's another thing too. You know, I don't let my losers run, and I do take my profits pretty, like, not too early. Sometimes I let my my runners. I will hold like 2 runners. Dude, I'll let them things go like 100 points, bro. It's crazy. But yeah, every now and then. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, buddy. Yup. Cash money. Yee. All right, I got some news at 10:30. Shouldn't be crazy. Yeah, let's go to the economic calendar. That's actually a great point. Today, we did have initial jobless claims come out. Initial jobless claims and Fed manufacturing surveys for Philadelphia. 10 a.m., we have existing home sales, leading economic indicators. And then that's about it I see right now coming out. But yeah, dude, we have about 6 minutes till the news coming out. Look at that thing continue to dump, bro. Sheesh, man. Craziness on the plate. But yeah, buddy, dude. So that's where we're at with it, guys. That is where we're at with it. So yeah, we are chilling out. We are waiting and watching. We are chilling out, waiting and watching, guys. Love that little short position we had there. Right off our EMAs. It was beautiful there. Pretty easy setup, pretty easy catch. Was able to capitalize off it. You know, and now I want to wait, though, to see if this thing will present another opportunity after we get a dump. So what this could look like to me is a nice dump, a retracement to another follow-through of a dump below that low day. Almost like an H pattern. You guys know the H pattern, right? Now, you got to worry about the W pattern setting up as if, and this would be a beautiful W pattern. If it comes down here, you know, within the next few candles, boom, touches this low again and then starts to rip back up. So, yep. Fresh supply at 7 SETI, also 250 day. If we retrace a bit, I'm short. Yeah, buddy, man. Yeah, dude, just be careful. I'm always, you know, after that first take on it, I'm always like, okay, is this going to be a higher low setup? Right? Where we got this going on right here. Where we got something like that going on where it's, okay, touch, boom, touch, comes up, hits these. You're able to capitalize, maybe make, you know, on NQ, you'll make, you know, 10 points or something like that. Then you got to take your profit quickly because then it could just keep coming up. So let's say it comes up to this point here. 780, then it comes right back down. It'd be like 740. Actually, dude, that's 40 points. Oh my, volatile, bro. Yeah, that's 100 points right there. Dude, this market is so volatile. Like, if I was still in this, guys, I'd be up. Okay, only about 33 points. Nothing crazy. No, I'm sorry. I'd be up 50 points. That's more like it. That's crazy, bro. Oh my gosh. Dude, that is so volatile, dog. I don't even know what to say about that, bro. That'd be a band right there. Yeah, TP just above low a day. Stop just above the EMAs. Yep, nice. Yeah. Yeah, dude, that is insane. I'd be up a band, bro. Just like that. Oh, my goodness. That's crazy, bro. This more like that's the thing, bro. Like that, I gotta take that into more consideration because, dude, I'll even still do that, guys. Where like I won't know how volatile the market really is, and I'll get in with like, dude, if I got in on a mini on this play, bro. If I got in on a mini from 50 to 30, that's $400 just like that, right? One mini. Now imagine if I was still in, that's 2 bands, just like that, from 740 all the way down to 700. That's what is that? Instead of capitalizing on 10 points, yes, you're capitalizing on 50. So, yes, that'd be a band. And on MNQ, that would be $500. Yeah. Yeah, insane, bro. Like, yeah. So, you just got to wait and watch, guys. Don't overstay your welcome. The market won't torture you or anything like that. But, yeah, craziness, guys. Craziness coming up. And it's still dumping. Guys. That is crazy. So market, man, chilling out. Look at it, coming down to that 640 levels. Insanity. Insanity, guys. Yup. Look at that. Now we're getting a little bit of a spike near that 40 level. So, again, this is where we got to be careful. So, we broke through that. Okay, cool. So, you can get rid of these trend lines right there. But now you can mark out, hey, if you guys are trying to go short here at all, you don't want to you want to be careful on this W pattern that can set up. Right. Market starts to spike or something like that. You get a nice W pattern coming in, right? You want to be careful on that across the board there. Because we've seen that more times than not when that happens. Where it'll just start coming right back up. And it'll fill that out right there, right? So, that's where it's at, man. That's where you just want to be a little bit cautious, be a little bit careful on it. Nothing too crazy. So, yeah, buddy. Good morning, young Jedi. Good morning, buddy. Great call on that previous short. Great reading on the chart. Appreciate it, man. Thank you. Yeah, we're just getting it going. Yeah, I've just seen more times than not when traders, man, they'll get in short somewhere, like right around these levels at the lows. They're like, oh, okay, basically low day break. We're going to get in on this. We're going to catch it for a short. Then it breaks low day maybe by just a couple ticks or something like that. And then just starts to spike up. And then it's like, wow, okay. Really bites you. Keep up the good work. Appreciate it, man. Oh, we're here for you guys. We're here for you, man. We got it. We're getting it going. Yup. So, that's all we got to wait and watch on it. I just said earlier, H form or W shape here. Yup. Yeah, it's one or the other right now. It's either we're going to get it going through, but just got to be patient. Got to stay vigilant on it. Yeah, dude. No, that was a beautiful short. The market is just, like, crazy volatile as well. Like, when you really look at it, 100 points here. You know, I remember back in, I think it was August or July, you know. Yeah, dude, August or July when a 100-point move was, like, pretty substantial, you know? Like, you get a 100-point move in market hours, like, yeah, obviously pre-market and post-market NQ moves a little bit, you know, differently. But, yeah, during the New York session, you know, that was, like, a big thing. Now it's like, okay, well, you know, you wait 10 minutes, dude, you got 100 points. Like, yeah, buddy, man. Yep, looks like possible W shape here. Yeah, no, I do agree. I agree that if we can't break through these lower days, yeah, no, it's definitely going to be a W pattern here. Yeah. And it's going to hold up here. It's going to look good. Same thing for S&P here. S&P doesn't even need to touch those low days, you know, for a W pattern to form. I just think NQ itself is, yeah. Learning each day, waiting and watching. Yeah, buddy, man. Hey, that's it. That's the number one thing, man. We always say, just wait and watch. Wait and watch the market, dude. 90% of it is literally just your timing. Like, that's the thing. Like, a lot of people, man, it's all just about your timing. And a lot of people, you know, they lack that just a little bit. You know, just a patience level, right? And a lot of times it's their patience level through life, right? There we go, a little dump coming in. But, yeah, because if you have a great patience level overall, you know what I mean? You got kids, you got a wife or something like that, you got to be patient with all the time. Usually that reflects on the charts as well. So, yeah, that's basically it. Not that I have kids or wife, but you get what I'm saying. For some people that do. Or if you have, like, a job that requires patience, you know what I mean? Yep. Watch out here. I know, dude. Look at that thing, man. So coming down into play, 589 touching on S&P. Coming up, 600 low right there on NQ. We're going to see. Let's see. Oh, wow. Look at NVIDIA from afar. Look at that H pattern, bro, on NVIDIA. That's crazy. Like, dude, that is to the teeth an H. Wow. Yup. Q's going down to the 500s. Yeah, buddy. Here we go. Here we go, guys. So a little bit of hype. I like today's price action so far. I'm not gonna lie. I like how there's a lot of volume. We got some momentum coming in. Let's see, S&P averaging around 100,000 a candle. It seems to be. That's nice. So that's what we love to see. We love to see 100,000 a candle on S&P 500. NQ averaging above 2,000 a candle. That is good looking. Because sometimes if we go to like yesterday. We'll take a look at yesterday really quickly, guys. That's during 1 p.m. You go to the morning move. You see you average around the 2,000 area, right? 2,000 shares per candle, right? That's on the 1 minute. And then as you see, today we are well above that, right? Oh, yeah, and it's 10:03 as well. Good support of 500, QQQ 500 here. Here it is. Yeah, buddy. Yup. Right there. So I'm assuming that 500 level is going to match up with this 20,600 level on NQ. So if I load up QQQ over here, get rid of NVIDIA real quick. Not WWW. 1 second. There we go. Yep, right there it is. Wonder Woman. WW. Yeah, right? All right, so there we go. So as you can see, guys, they do match up. So if you guys are trading options, another thing I've been looking into, I'll keep you guys updated and definitely will do it with you guys if I decide to do it. Selling put contracts or selling call contracts. Instead of buying them, we've all heard about it, but I'm actually thinking about taking the leap into that world. I've seen a couple of my buddies been doing that, making some pretty good money because you make, your money's insured. And let's say NVIDIA had its earnings report. By the way, NVIDIA had its earnings report, right? So I'm still learning a lot about it. So I don't know everything about it. So I'll just put that out there 100%. Look at the bounce off the 500. Yeah, buddy, bro. Yeah, buddy. What was that, like a 50-cent bounce, dude? No, it was like a dollar bounce, man. Like that, dude, imagine grabbing some like options plays and catching a dollar move. Like that right there, I don't know. That's what, 20%? A dollar move? Yep, and then back down again. Yep. So just a nice, slow little play coming down. But yeah, it's what is it? It's been pretty crazy looking at the selling puts and selling call contracts. Yeah, I gotta figure more. I gotta figure more out. I don't want to speak on it too much because I'm not that educated in it. I don't want to speak on something I'm not like too educated in. You can get that. You can get debit spreads going. There's so much stuff you can do in the market, man. So 620 level coming up into play. Waiting and watching, guys. Waiting and watching. Look at that. So we're right near this level. So I almost want to mark out that 589 level on S&P here. I don't know how significant this level will be. If I go back to a 15-minute chart, doesn't look like it's anything too crazy. We got a little bit of resistance here. Let's see. Near 589, a little bit under it on the 15. All right, let's back out to the hourly then. So I can see if this level is any bit of significance here. Boom, just set that mark right there. Yeah, not bad. You got some resistance, you got some support coming in. Nothing too crazy. So I'm not gonna mark it, but it is there. I'm gonna note it. So there we go, traders. So yeah, buddy. Waiting and watching on it, ladies and gentlemen. Waiting and watching on it. So yeah, buddy, man. So we got the Qs loaded up. NVIDIA, I do like to use NVIDIA a lot of times when I'm reading NQ. Just because it makes up 7% of NQ. So if you guys ever wonder why I have NVIDIA up all the time, that's why. Just because I like to use it. It helps me out with my confirmation. As you see here, you get a nice little dump-a-rooski here. Dump-a-rooski, dump. A lot of these plays will actually just match up. A lot of the, the indices? Yeah, they just match up. So, yep. And then we can wait, we can watch, we can get it going, baby. Woo-woo. So, man, I'm excited, man. It's Thursday. We're coming up on Turkey Day here soon, guys. Let's see how far we're out. What day is Thanksgiving, guys? I actually don't even know. Is that bad? What day is Thanksgiving? November 28th. I knew that. No, I knew that. Yeah, I was going to say that. I was making sure you guys knew when Thanksgiving was. That was what you guys see what I was doing there? Like reverse psychology, like you guys would say, and I'd be like, okay, I was just checking. You guys are making the turkey, right? You guys are getting the stuffing. So yeah, November 28th. So, yep. So coming up, what is that? November 28th? That's a Thursday, right? Now, you know what I wonder? Hold on. Let's even look deeper into that. Is the market closed for Let's see. I don't think the market's closed for that. I mean, I could very much be wrong. Oh, yeah. Nope, it is. Yep, it is closed. So we have next Thursday off then, guys. We have next Thursday off. Just FYI, guys. So, yep, next Thursday will be closed for good old Turkey Day. If you guys want to see it, right here it is. I always just use these guys right here. You can just look up basically anything. Be like, oh, are we off today? Blah, blah, blah. And they'll come up. They're just nyse.com/market hours calendar. And as you guys see right here, bada bing, bada boom. And then our next day off is going to be Christmas. Now, that sucks because Dude, we have 2 days off in January coming up, right? We have 2 days off in January coming up, and we have that December 25th. So we literally have December 25th off, and then January 1st off, and then right back at January 15th. You know, or technically, would this be January 20th? Yeah, January 20th, because we'll be in 2025 then. Wow, 2025, dude. A crazy, crazy world. All right, traders. So chilling out, waiting and watching, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, buddy. Here to slow down somewhat, just waiting here. Yup, agreed, same. Yeah, I definitely need to see, like, for me to be able to get in another short entry, I need to see some sort of pushback to the top side here. And if there's no pushback to the top side, there's not really going to be much, you know. We all seen those days when S&P was flying, you know, $10, $20 at a time, right? When S&P's going to the all-time high levels of 600, you know, it's going crazy or whatnot. The thing about it is there was no retracement. So I actually wasn't able to get entries on those days for day trading wise. Obviously, if you're holding out long-term plays, you know, you were feeling great, dude. You don't even need to. Sit back, relax, drink a mimosa. Great day ahead. Yeah, buddy. But yeah, no, dude, it's like, same thing with right now, dude. It's like I love the fact we get those little retracements. You know, dumping, retracement, another dump. Let's see if we get another retracement to another dump. Or is it going to be another retracement back up to these levels and then hold up here and start to take back off. So it's like that would then form the W pattern. It would be a little bit of a crooked W, but it would still count. It would still be there. So that's all we're waiting on, guys. So, all right, ladies and gentlemen. So, chilling out, waiting and watching, guys. Waiting and watching, ladies and gentlemen. Don't mind all that background noise going on. So, guys, we got these levels in play. We got everything set up here. Yeah, definitely crooked W, but not sure now. Right, yeah. Yeah, looking a little funky. We'll have to see. 10, 12 a.m., so nothing too crazy on it, guys. Want to see what we got going on here. There we go. There's your little push coming in. Let's see if we can get a push up to these levels and see if there's any rejection, or is it just sky's the limits, right? So, hey, man, it's always sometimes 50-50 with it. It is 50-50 with it. So love the play, man. Love the energy, man, guys. So soon to be, this whole office is going to be a little bit remodeled. I like to remodel like once every like 3 to 4 months, as you guys see. You know, in the last year, if you guys go to my streams, you guys will see like a bunch of different like setups going on, everything like that. So I want to remodel for the Christmas time coming up, so you guys can see the whole room. We can get more energy, man. I got more room to move around and jump around if I need to. If I make a bang and trade, you know what I mean? I make some crazy trade. I want you guys to be able to, you know, really feel it, you know? So yeah, buddy, man. So chilling out, waiting, watching. Here's that spike we were talking about, guys, up to these points. Right there's that view up in 50-day touch. We have a 50-day touch there. NQ's not there yet. So I personally am going to wait and watch on this. I don't like to force these plays right off the rip. I want to make sure we're not going to get basically a nice spike to a little bit of retracement, down a couple points, and then another spike. Because then I couldn't be able to, you know, snag my entry there. So chilling out, waiting and watching right now, guys. 700. Not bad, not bad. So, all right, ladies and gentlemen. Chilling out, waiting and watching. Nice support there at 500. Yeah. Yeah, right? Yup. Right near those lows, man. Coming up into play. Yup. So, that's where it's at. That is where it's at, man. Chilling out, waiting and watching on it. Yeah, dude, that was a beautiful support level. I'm not going to lie. You know, you had that come into play right there. You know, a little bit of trickery right there, and then just start spiking off of it, right? We're up in that view up level. We're up above the view up in the 50-day here on ES. Waiting and watching to see what happens on NQ still waiting and watch to see what happens on NQ. NQ is yet to even touch any. And then S&P's up in its level. So we'll see if these 200 days get hit and if we can get a little spike up here. If it starts to reject right here, I don't think I'll be able to get my entry. Right. Yeah, it's definitely yeah, I could probably even still mark it out here. Like something like that right there. You know, slightly now just getting broken. Yeah. No, dude, I'm with you. I'm with you. So craziness in the play, bro. Craziness. So look at that, traders. So look at that, man. So right there's our little spike we were looking at coming up into play. So we're now, okay, so now we're up in these levels. Now it's a patience game and a waiting game, guys. That's it. Now it's a patience game and a waiting game on, is this going to hold? Is this going to hold up? Or are we going to see more sellers come in? As volume is dying off on S&P, I don't know if you guys can see that really well, but as volume is dying off, is that going to help the momentum to the top side for S&P, or is it going to help the downside? Another thing I'd like to note as well is, where are we at? You know, just take a look overall. Okay, we're at 593 areas, you know, back down to 590. What do we think overall in the market? Do we think the market wants to push that 600 level again? Do we think the market, you know, wants to start dumping off a little bit? You know, people are selling shares. People are going to get rid of some, you know? What is our overall thought process of that? Another thing you take a look at is like the NVIDIA earnings here, which I don't think they come out till tonight, actually. Oh, no, they came out yesterday. Okay, they did come out yesterday. Yep. So, yeah, and again, they didn't come out. Yeah, earnings were, the estimate was 0.7. The actual is 0.8. Wow, so they did beat earnings. Okay, good. They did really good. But, yeah, nothing really happened off of it. Kind of just sat flat. So, that's kind of why I was like, did it even happen? I was thinking about taking a lotto play on it, but I decided not to. Nice little bit of rejection coming in across the board here, guys. Tempted to see what we got going on here. So I'm going to take a little stab at this one.
Order filled.
Now, again, you have that 50-day into play, so you just want to be cautious across the board. But I definitely do think we can get a dump Baruski down to our 9-day below that for a little bit more. See how far can we go down off of these levels. And then, yeah, buddy, man. So still getting the dump Baruski here on S&P below the 50-day across the board. Getting up into those areas. If we can continue to break those lows, confidence across the board. So, beautiful play so far, man. Beautiful play looking out. So, beautiful, beautiful play. So, again, that's where that could hold up here. Next candle comes in, though. You might get your Dumperuski following. Stop loss is just going to be a little bit above this point here. And then you let that thing rock out, man. If you get a red candle on this candle here, this thing goes green to red on this candle, comes back down to this low of 75, starts to break it, I definitely think the Dumperuski's coming in then. Because that was that 9-day EMA. That's usually where that short position would come in then. But again, this could just be where we're at with the higher ticks, higher tick, you know what I mean? But I don't want to see that. I'd love to see a short position come in. You know, with NVDA looking like this. NVDA looks like a little bit of a downside move coming in. If it can get its flush back down to 144, I feel as if NQ then will get its flush following down all the way down to, what is it? Probably, I'd say around 650 levels. So you can mark off those 650 levels. You can mark off those lows, ladies and gentlemen. Looking at those lows to continue to hit here. Beautiful play coming in. So want to see it continue to dump a Ruski across the board here. Beautiful play. Beautiful, beautiful play, man. Let's see it. So letting that thing trickle, letting that thing dump here, guys. Right down to that 9-day EMA. 9-day EMA. Right there, guys. At 73. Starting to break the 9-day EMA there, guys. Down to 72. Want to see it break that 9 and continue to dump. So there it goes, traders. Starting to punch in that low. Want to see it break that 9. Hold these lows. Give me the break below 73, baby. Look at NVDA continuing to trickle down on us. Makes me feel good about it, but S&P 500 has to do the same here. And honestly, guys, you know, I'm going to lock it up for 30 bucks. Why am I locking up for 30 bucks? I just don't know what's going to happen right here, guys. You know, I want to see the continuation kind of follow through like that. You know what I mean? I don't want to give up, you know, 200 bucks on the day or something like that. Nothing too crazy on it, but because that 9-day EMA is holding up just a little bit too strong for me right now, you see? So I don't want to go against the grain on that. And I just basically, I'll take what I got, my little break even or whatnot. I'd rather do that than be down 300, 400, 500 bucks. You guys get what I'm saying? Yeah, look at that. Just because of that right there, guys. How was I able to spot that? That's the question at hand here. You know, how was I able to see that might have come in? You know, that the reversal might have come in? Because we have lower shadow, right? Coming up in the board, right? A little bit of a U shape. We already hit that low a day. So now coming back up into play, this is almost a retracement, right? I'll do a paint chart for you guys real quick. Very simple on how we're able to spot these. You know, and you can spot it. And again, you want to know what 90% of traders' problems are? Is that they come in the market with a bias. You know, when they're in a trade, they're like, okay, it either has to hit my stop loss or it has to hit my take profit. That's not true. If it is chopping around your area, like if it is no longer a setup that you think is good looking and you're break even, you're up, you know, I was up 30 bucks. Dude, just walk away. You know what I mean? Like, you don't need to lose 200 bucks. Like, what's the point? You know what I mean? It's like, okay, cool. Like, it might hit, but then at that point, that's almost like gambling, correct? So, anyways. So a lot of times we'll see plays like this. So what happened today? Market started to dump off, right? Got a nice dump. Came down to these lows, right? Okay, then let's say started to spike up. Hit that point. Okay, at this given point right here, you know, we were able to get our initial entry, right? We were able to get our entry somewhere up here. Probably not exactly. It wasn't exactly at the high, but right near it, right? Then market started to come back down. It was actually able to push a little lower than there. So, yeah, broke the chart completely. Yeah, totally. But now we're coming back up to this level here, a little bit lower than it. When we're chopping around in this level, I'm going to take my entry here again, thinking that I'm going to take my entry somewhere up in here. You know, off the fact, okay, we did it once, we dumped down. Let's see if we can get another little retracement here, right? And then continue, right? And fall right back down. Now, if we don't and we continue to chop around, you know, we continue to Control Z. There we go. We get that nice little retracement down here. And then we start to come back up, and then we start to chop in this area, we might start to break back off. I'm not. All right, listen, guys. Listen. That candle was crazy. All right, that's not a normal S&P candle. Okay. All right. Okay, guys. All right. YB walking away, guys. All right. Give YB a second. There's no way, dude. There's no way, bro. You know what? There's literally no way. Luna, we're gonna have to have a talk. Luna, I feel like you had something to do with this. You know, I feel like you had something to do with this, Luna. Oh. Just go. Just leave. Just leave, guys. Just, there's no way. There's no way, dude. So, yeah, sometimes that happens. Yeah. To where the market just completely ridicules it. But, yeah, so that's what we were looking for. Definitely not that strong of a dump, but, yeah, basically, so we come down here. Market dumps down to those levels, starts to come back up here. And, you know, gets a little bit of that chopping action. I'm expecting, okay, we're making higher, low, lower shadow. We're going to break out to the top side. I was wrong. You know, we get that little dump down, push down, oh, up, up, up. You know, we chop in this level chop, and then we just tusk. We just dumped. So, and that's all she wrote, traders. And that's all she wrote for the day. So, quick little 232 on the day. This is a PA, by the way. This is one of my PAs. So, we're chilling out on it, guys. But yeah, buddy, man. So, that's all she wrote, ladies and gentlemen. And I think that's going to do it for me, guys. I got nothing else to trade today. I like to take upwards of 2 to 3 trades a day. And that was obviously my second trade on the day. But yeah, dude, I'll keep my eyes open. You guys keep your eyes open as well. Remember, 3 things. Consistency within trading. Lock up your $200 to $300 days. In 10 days, remember, that's $2 to $3 grand. If you guys are trading on a PA or you guys are trading an eval, you'll pass your eval if you're making $300 a day, or you'll be $2,000. You only need $1,000, aka 5 more days, right? And then again, you'll have your days where you make $900, $1,000 or something like that, some crazy days, and then right back to your nice little $200, $300, $400 days, right? So consistency matters in trading, right? That's what we're here for, the long run, right? Not only just that, discipline. Stick to your A+ setups only, guys, okay? Stick to those A+ setups you guys all know, you guys all love, you guys all have them. Stick to those A+ setups. Another thing I'll say with that is definitely go pick up some books. Project 369, Atomic Habits, Trading in the Zone. All 3 good books if you guys want to, you guys like reading it all or anything like that. So, ladies and gentlemen, man, cannot give it enough. Absolutely another beautiful day over here at TradeCaster.com, guys. If you guys have enjoyed this stream, you guys are on YouTube.com. Make sure to get over here to TradeCaster.com where you guys can watch me live every single day. And yeah, buddy, man, let's get a good yeah, buddy, for this amazing market that's presenting itself with a nice little shelf bottom right here, guys. In 3, 2, 1, yeah, buddy, baby. Absolute another beautiful day, guys. And I cannot wait till tomorrow to see you guys for that fun Friday action. And yeah, buddy, man. So take it easy, guys. Love you all. Peace.
Who is he and what is he to you? Is he to you? Is he to you?